Time now is 11:11, and we are taking a look at satellite and radar because it does look like something is trying to take shape here south Dallas County, northern Ellis County. A few little showers trying to get going, and that's what we're watching for this afternoon, is for the potential of some storms to develop. It'll be very isolated and coverage will be very low. Most of us will not see the rain, but it will feel warmer than yesterday. We're also watching the flood watch that's in place. This for areas southeast of DFW. Rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches of rain will be possible. And this again does extend to southeast Texas, and this in place until 7 this evening. We're watching the potential for a few isolated storms. Again, coverage of these storms will be very, very small, but we are watching for the potential of quarter-sized hail as well as strong winds with any thunderstorm that develops, especially towards the southeast where there is a level 2 or a slight risk. DFW included in a marginal level 1 risk. Here's a look at the timing. We could see some development here in the next couple of hours. Again, coverage very low. This is showing you Monday around 2 in the afternoon. And again, most of us just seeing the cloud cover. Some of us, if you're the western half of North Texas, will see the sunshine. But this now closer to 4. Again, radar looking dry. Look at this, though. Around 5, we actually have a front working its way in, and that front can help develop some of these storms. We could see some of these storms develop along our eastern or southeastern counties this afternoon. In fact, the latest update of this model, you see that? It just has very, very limited coverage along our eastern counties. So we'll be watching for that. Again, most of us will not see the rain today, but we do have additional rain chances this week. Wednesday night into Thursday, our coverage will be quite a bit higher, 50 to 60%. And this is going to be one of those days where we're watching for a flood concern. We may see a few thunderstorms that are on the stronger side, but this is what our models are showing right now. Late week rain. This is showing you Wednesday at 7 p.m. So as we head into the overnight hours, we're not seeing too much, but watch this. This is now Thursday morning around 7. You start to see some of that rain piling in across North Texas. It's going to be slow moving. That's why we're going to be watching the potential for a flood concern, just because we already have seen quite a bit of rain this spring. And we'll continue to watch this. This is now Thursday in the afternoon. A lot of that rain starts to transition towards the south. As of now, it does look like we could pick up around 1 inch of rain, and that's not happening today. This is mostly going to be Wednesday night and Thursday night for our south and southeastern counties. So look at that, closer towards Jacksonville, 1 to 3 inches across the Metroplex, closer to 1, but an isolated 2 inches, not completely being ruled out, especially when we're looking at Palo Pinto or Parker counties. Right now, though, we are looking at again, mostly clear radar, 74 degrees from our DBU camera. We're looking at some breaks in the cloud cover. It's warmer than yesterday already with 74 degrees and actually feeling like it. So we don't have a huge heat index today, not like what we did see last week. 72 right now across Fort Worth, Dallas, 71 in Denton and in McKinney. Afternoon high temperatures will make it into the low 80s today with about 83 degrees in Dallas and in Fort Worth. Your 14-day forecast showing temperatures still in the mid 80s tomorrow, even with a front moving in. Now tomorrow will feel more comfortable than today because drier air will be in place. Our humidity will be lower. The temperatures do climb into the upper 80s on Wednesday. Now Thursday, it'll be a cloudy day, so that's going to keep temperatures closer to about 80 degrees. And then over the weekend, we could see closer to 90 degrees come Sunday. Next week, looking a little bit drier, but we do see rain for the second half of next week. Mark?